everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to make Snapchat private account. In order to make your Snapchat account private, now there isn't a direct way unlike Instagram or Facebook application. So you need to use some, or you have to do some workaround. So what you need to do is here, open the Snapchat application, make sure that the app is completely up to date. Once you're logged into your Snapchat application, what next you want to do is here, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. After which, what you need to do is here, you simply want to click on the gear icon from the top of the page. And when you go to this section, you have to go ahead and click on privacy control. Now underneath you could see these options, right? You have to go ahead and make changes with all of these options to only me, or maybe you could just customize it. When you do only me for all of these options, then you'll be able to make your account private. Now this is not a direct way of making your account private, but this can work out. So what you need to do is go to use my Bitmoji avatar, make sure that only me. After which you also need to select my view my story only me, and then you could go to the comment section or the settings, that too as well you have to make only me. See me in friend, you have to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button or toggle the button off. And likewise, you just go ahead and make sure to enable all the options only me on this particular section. And that is how you could make Snapchat account private. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.